Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. This is for Sele and Norma. They both are hosting a banner swap. And if you are on YouTube, you want to send your entry to CraftySele06. And if you're on Instagram, you want to send your entry to Miss Yankees Creations. Okay. Apparently I forgot to get the due date for this. So it's sometime in August. But what you need to create is a minimum of 4 pennants or for your banner. And you could use the Maggie Holmes, anything from Maggie Holmes or Be Valiant. Just must be pastel colors, pretty pastel colors. And you must have at least 7 layers for each of the pieces of your banner. The other thing is you have to make a Memdex with your social media handle and fun facts about you. The other 2 requirements is a chunky dangle or a bead dangle, a pokey tool or a beaded pen. And then everything needs to be packaged nicely and just be creative. So I used Round Trip by Maggie Holmes. And I came up with a modification of my backpack. Now, if you missed it, I just recently posted it last Saturday, how to create the backpack. But this is what I created. I created a suitcase or like a travel, what is it called? A train tote, something like that. But it's a tote style. And the base is the same. It's basically the same as my backpack, and except I made it shorter. I made the cover come all the way flat across, and I gave it a handle up on the top, and on the side here you can see I added my dangle to a little I don't know what these things are called, but it's somewhere where we can hang our dangles. Okay, so that's what the top looks like. You can see I stitched all the layer pieces. I added a gold doily just to give it some kind of decoration on top, and then I made an embellished piece on the front. I used some crepe paper to create a trim on the bottom, and then I used some crepe paper again, some rosettes, layered pieces, and some folded cardstock for paper ruffles. And I stitched across the ruffle. I added a few tags that were from the collection. I also added this little airplane I created on Cricut, just printed and cut on some glitter cardstock. And then I added 2 of the stickers. There's a little punched scallop circle underneath that, but I added one of the flower stickers from the collection and the sentiment, wherever we go, let's go together, and that is from the collection also. Now you can see all 4 sides, everything is secure. I added my label on the bottom, everything is stitched. And so to open this, there's just 2 little velcros on the front, and you just pull them up, and it opens up like this. Now I didn't package the banner. I already shared the banner, but I didn't put it in a baggie. For this one, I was contemplating adding dividers. I don't know yet. I might just leave that in there. I'm not sure. But there's also my Memdex in here. And I've shared with you all my Memdex and my banner, but this is the pen that I created on Thursday live with Ebony. And I added an extra refill in there. So all these beads are from the Rosette Guru. You could check out Ebony's shop, the Rosette Guru, on Instagram. If you don't see something in there that you like, you might message her and she might go and find it for you. Okay, there we go. So everything fits in here nice and secure. I don't really want to put any more plastic in there. But yeah, the front panel, the back, and all the pieces are stitched. I made this exactly like the backpack, like I said, but I just created a flap and a handle, and then also created this dangle on Thursday with ebony. Added some seam binding, all the charms that were, you know, matched the paper collection. I've shared this also. The only thing I didn't share was this little keychain. This is from Dollar Tree, Living the Dream, and then I just put the back, some of the stickers from the collection, and then I'm just clipping it or hanging it around my clasp here, so you can see it. I wanted to show that part. Okay, and then I just take that and hang it off of a little dangly piece there. Now it is longer than the suitcase, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. And I love the seam binding on here. It's so cute. On top of all the charms and, you know, all that fun stuff. So, yeah, I'll be sending this off to Sele. I hope she likes it. And, yeah, that's it. If you all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, join the crafty family. While you're there, if you hit the notification bell, it'll let you know when I load new videos like this, or when I go live here on my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.